Good morning, children. I hope everyone are fine, right? So, in the last class, we discussed about multiplication of a decimal numbers, right? So, in this class, we discuss about the division of a decimal number. How to do the division of a decimal number? That is the exercise number 2.6. Okay. Start with the exercise number 2.6. You will come to know that one. Okay. So, 2.6. In that first main, we are having a first 0.9 divided by 3. Okay. This is nothing but a what? Division of a decimal number. Okay. How to do this division of a decimal number here? First convert this decimal number into a fraction. Okay. That is 0.9 can be written as 9 by 10 divided by 3 by 1. If nothing is there in the denominator, then we can write a 1. Right. So 9 by 10 divide 3 by 1 here. So that is equal to what? 9 by 10 into 1 by 3. Okay. 3 ones are 3 threes are. So 3 by 10. Answer is 0.3 or else 3 by 10. If you keep 3 by 10, it is also correct, or 0.3 is also correct. Both are the correct answers. Getting? Okay, fine. So next one is the second one. Do the second problem. That is 0.75 divided by 5. 0.75 divided by 5. That is here. It can be written as a 75 by 100 divided by 5 by 1. Right? 75 by 100 and 5 by 1 here. So now write 75 by 100 into 1 by 5. Okay. You can write like this. It is 5 ones are 2 left, 5 5s are. So 15 by 100 is also a correct answer. Otherwise you can write a 0.15 is also correct answer. Both are the correct. This one is also correct. This one is also correct. Okay. So this is the division of a fraction. Okay. While doing a division of, not a fraction, it is a decimal number. Okay. While doing the division for the decimal number, first you have to convert into a fraction. After that you can make that one as a, after that you can do the division. Okay. We can't do division directly for a decimal numbers. First decimal numbers is converted to a fraction like this. Okay. After this do the same procedure. You know how to do the division for the fraction already, right? So do same things, you will get the answer. Next go for the next answer. Next question. This is the third one. Third one. Third problem. What is the third problem here? First we 3.24 divide by 3. Okay. 3.24 divide by 3. See here 3.24 means it is a 324 divided by 100 divided by 3 by 1. 324 divided by 100 into 1 by 3. Okay. So here 3 ones are 3 ones are. Next 3 8s are 24. So answer is 108 by 100. That is nothing but a 1.08 is the answer. Okay. 108 by 100 is the answer. Otherwise 1.08 is the answer. Okay. Next go for the fourth problem. What is the fourth one they given here? 14.28 divided by 4. 14.28 means divided by 100 into, divide first, right? 4 by 1. Now we can't divide fraction. So do the multiplication. 1 by 4, take the reciprocal of 4 by 1. That is 1 by 4. Now 4 ones are 4 threes are 12. 2 left, 4. 5 are 20. 2 left, 4 sevens are 20. So 357 divided by 100 is the answer. Otherwise 3.57 is also correct answer. 357 divided by 100 is also correct, or else 3.57 is also correct answer. Getting idea everyone? Okay. So other 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, do it yourself. I did 4 problems. 5th one, 6th one, 7th one, 8th one, do it yourself. Just convert into a fraction. After take the reciprocal of this number and multiply, and if cancellation is there then cancel, otherwise multiply and write 3. This one also correct answer, otherwise keep it in a decimal number, this is also correct. Both are the correct method. So I did the 4 problems, you do another 4 problems in first main. That is the homework. Okay, next we'll go for the second main. Okay, second main. What is the second main? Second main problem. Second main, first one. 5.9 divided by 10. Okay, 5.9 divided by 9. First convert this one, that is a 59 by 10 divided by 10 by 1. So 59 by 10 into 10 by 1. Sorry, 1 by 10. Right? So no cancellation is there. So for that multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator, that is 100. So we can write that answer is 0.59. 0.59. Okay, or else you can write it directly. How to write directly here? That is nothing but a 5.9 divided by 10 is there. Okay, if divided by 10 means the decimal point will to the next. See here, it will come to the left side. We are doing a division, for that reason this decimal point shift to the left side. How many zeros are there? 1 zero is there, so it will shift to here, this to this. Okay, if you multiply means this decimal number will shift to the right side. If you do the multiplication, the decimal number will go to the right side. If you do the division, then the decimal point will come to the right side, sorry, left side. Okay, multiplication right side, division it will come to the left side. For that reason, if you know like this, okay, if you do comfortable with this one, you can do, otherwise go this method only. Okay, whichever you are getting easy, no, that method you have to follow here. Okay, but usually we have to follow this one because it will save the time. It is a very easiest also. Okay, so next one is a 51.8. We'll do directly next onwards. Second one, 51.8 divide by 10. Divide by 10 means its answer is 5.18. It will come to the left side because we are dividing. And how many zeros are that number? That much number you will take left side. Here only 1 zero is there. That's why the decimal number is shifted to only after one number. If it is 2 zeros are there, then it will shift to the after 2 numbers, like that. Okay. So next do the third problem. What is the third one they given here? 0.7 by 10. 0.7 by 10 means the point will shift to the next number, that is 0.07. 0.07. Answer is fourth one is 8.11 divided by 10. 8.11 divided by 10 means here shift the point 0.811. Okay. Fifth one, 271.13 divided by 10. 271.13 divided by 7 divided by 10. That is nothing but answer is 27.113 is the answer. The point will shift to the here. Okay, answer is 27.113. Next, another last problem is there, right? 3.97 divided by 10. It means it will become a 0.397 is the answer. These are the answers. Okay, 0.397. Okay, now next go for the third main. Third main, all are divided by 100 is there. Means after two numbers you have to shift the decimal number. Here I shifted only after one number I shifted because it is divided by 10. Next third main is there, divide by 100. Divide by 100 means after two numbers you have to shift the decimal number here. That is a third one. Third main. Go for the third main. Third main, first one, 8.7 divided by 100. 8.7 divided by 100 means you have to put this decimal point after two numbers. Take a left side. That answer is 0.087. One number, this is two number. Okay. Second one. Second one is 22.1 divided by 100. That is nothing but 0.221. Answer. Third one. What is the third problem? 0.29 divided by 100. Answer is 0.0029. Okay. Fourth one. What is the fourth problem? These are very easy problems. Okay. You have to do. Otherwise, you are in a being in a 7th standard. If you don't know these like problems, then it's a waste. You are not eligible for 7th standard then. 1300 divided by 100. That is nothing but a shift after two numbers. 13.214 is the answer. 13.214 is the answer. Last problem in this game. 0.09 divided by 100. That is nothing but 0.009. Okay. So that is the answer. Like this we have to write. After fourth main is a divide by 1000 is there. Divide by 1000 means what we have to do here? Divide by 1000 means we have to shift for a three numbers. Here we shifted after two numbers, right? Next one is after three numbers we have to shift. If there is a no number, then write the zeros. Okay. So do this fourth main. Okay. Do the fourth main. I show two problems. Next remaining problems do yourself. Otherwise your syllabus will not complete. Okay. Fourth main, first one, 3.2 divided by 1000. Okay. 3.2 divided by 1000 means shift. Only one number is there. We want another two numbers. 0, 0, 3, 2, point here. 0 point here. Point is here. 1, 2, 3. After three number we shifted this decimal point. Like this we have to shift. Okay. Next one, second one is the what? 32.1 divided by 1000 is there. Okay. So it is nothing but what here? Two numbers are there. We want another number. 0.0321. 0.0321 is the answer. Next go for the third main. 0.29 divided by 100. That is nothing but 0029. No. 1000 is there, right? 100. It is in a, sorry. Third problem is 41.28 divided by 1000. So here 04128. 0.04128. 1, 2, 3. Like this we have to shift here. Okay. So another three problems, do it yourself. Fourth main also completed. Now go for the fifth main. What is the fifth main question? See. Fifth main question. Fifth main also division here. First one 11 divided by 5.5. Okay, 11 divided by 5.5 means 11 by 1 divided by 55 by 10 we can write. 5.5 can be written as 55 divided by 10 fraction. So 11 by 1 into 10 by 55. 11 ones are 11 fives are. So answer is 10 by 5. Or else like 5 ones are 5 twos are. What is the answer? 2 is the answer. Okay. Like this we have to do the division. Go for the second one. We come to know that. 48 divided by 0.2. Okay. So 48 divided by 0.2 can be written as 2 by 10. 48 by 1 into 10 by 2. 2 ones are, 2 twos are, 2 fours are. So 24 into 10 is, answer is 240. Answer is 240. Okay. Next go for the third problem. What is the third one they given here? 2.25 divided by 0.5 means 225 divided by 100 divide 5 by 10. Okay, so that is equal to 225 by 100 into 10 by 5. This 0 get cancelled. 5 ones are 5, 4 are 20, 5 5. So answer is 45 by 10. That is nothing but a 4.5. Okay. Like this we have to do the division. Next one. Another one I do. Fourth one. 31.01 divided by 0.07. So here 31 is divided by 100. Division 7 by 100. Now 31 is 1 divided by 3 into 100 by 7. These will cancel. 7 ones are 7 4 are 28. 3 left. 7 4 are 28 again. 2 left. 7 2 are 21. Answer is 453. Answer is 443 is the answer. Okay. So I did a 4 problems. Next fifth one, sixth one, seventh one, eighth one. Do it yourself. Okay. Fifth one, sixth one, seventh one, eighth one. Do it yourself. We'll go for the sixth main. A two-wheeler covers a distance of 350. Sixth problem I am doing now. Okay. Sixth one. A two-wheeler covers a distance of 330.75 km with the 6.3 liters of a petrol. How much distance will it cover with the 1 liter of a petrol? Okay. So we have to do the division. Total distance is equal to 330.75 kilometer and so distance covered by a 1 liter petrol is equal to 330 divided 0.75 divided with the how much? 6.3 liters. Okay. So do the division. 100 divided by your 10. It is nothing but a 33075 100 into 10 by 63. 0 get cancelled here. Now do the division with the 63 here. Okay. So do the division and write the answer. Do it yourself. I will not do. Into, that is a 1 divided by 10 into 63 is a. First do the division with the 63. Do the division, after that write the answer. You will get some value. That is the distance. For 1 liter, that much distance is covered. That is the answer. Okay. Next we will go for the seventh question. Kishan built a tower out of blocks. Each block was a 1.75 centimeter tall. He built a 43.75 centimeter tall tower. So how many blocks did Kishan use? Okay. So you have to find the number of blocks here. Number of blocks. The total seventh one. Length of a tower. Length of a tower is equal to how much? 43.75 centimeter. Okay. Next, length of each block. Each block is equal to how much? 1.75. Okay. So number of blocks. Number of blocks is equal to question mark. Okay. Total length of a tower is 43.75 centimeter. One block length is 1.75 centimeter. Then how many blocks they used? They are asking. Okay, for that you have to do the division. 43.75 divide 1.75. That is equal to 43.75 divided by 100. Divide 175 100. Here 4375 divided by 100 into 100 divided by 175. So I think 5 5 are 25, 2 carry, 5 7 35, 37 3 carry, 5 is 15, 15 plus, sorry, 5 5 are 25, here 5 7 is 35, 35 plus 2 is 37, 3 carry, 5 1 5, 5 plus 8, no it is not a 5 So do the here division, 4375 divided by 175, do the division and write the answer. That is the number of blocks he used to build that tower. Okay, do that division it yourself. Do the division. You know how to do the division here. Okay. So next, eighth one is a Brinda bought a 7.275 kg of a watermelon. He sliced it into a many slice as a number of his family members and distributed among the family members. If the weight of each slice was 0.485 kg, then find the number of his family members. Okay, then find his number of family members is nothing but a what? You have to do the division. 7.275 divided by 0.485, you will get the answer. Okay, I will not do. And next, ninth one also, a wire of a length and cut into 25 equal pieces. What is the length of each piece? Divide by 25, you will get the answer. Ninth one. 10th one also, a perimeter of a regular polygon is a 129.5 centimeter. If the length of each side is a 9.25 centimeter, how many sides does the polygon have? It is also division. If you do the division, how many sides are there? You will get. Okay. Read the question properly. All are easy. Only division problems. Do the division. You will get the answer. Okay. So that is the thing is there. So we completed exercise number 2.6. So in the next class, we'll solve the exercise number 2.7 also. Okay. After that, we'll go for the third chapter. Okay. So homework is solve this 2.6 in a HW. That is the homework for you people. And till that, be safe in your home. Okay. Thank you everyone. We'll meet in the next class.